Welcome to the channel today, everyone. We're in Weymouth Seafront and it's very, very cold indeed. A little bit of a breeze, but yeah, it's cold this morning. We'll have a look at the seafront for you. Very cold indeed, and bright sunshine. You can't see much, so I've had to wear dark glasses this morning, and yeah, it's very crisp. I don't think you'll be getting the suntan in this sort of weather this time of year. Yeah, February now, spring will be approaching at the end of the month, and hopefully things will start to warm up a little bit. Yeah, it feels like it's extra cold on the seafront, even though the sun's out, but it looks like summer, but it most definitely not at the moment. Anyway, it's only a little bit of cold, but yeah, they've got a few cafes are open there for morning coffee, you can see the old buildings. It's where we just walked from, the town clock in Weymouth by King Street, and yeah, they've sealed off the seafront at the moment. The beach is because of the amount of storms we've had down here, which disturbed all the sand. So most of the beachfront is shut off at the moment for about, I don't know, I think it's 4 or 5 weeks, I think. That's because of the need to put all the sanding back in place, ready for the summertime comes. School group there. Yes, they've sealed most of it off at the moment, which they'll be doing this bit, do sections of it. They do sections of the beach first. Plenty of dog walkers this morning on the beach. Yeah, this time of year now you can walk your dogs on the beach, and not too bad. Whoever's got a dog and you want to walk your dog on the beach, go ahead. It's free. Nice view from a distance. Just wait for that school group to move out of the way. Don't want to be filming that. Look like they're going to go my way. Fancy a bit of surfing? Surf Life Savings Club there. Yeah, so they've got the old green electrical bikes in the middle of the esplanade there. Not sure if they're really popular down here. Trouble is the wind sort of blows them all over when there gets a storm down here. That's the trouble, they always get blown over. But we'll carry on walking up. Yeah, it's supposed to be dry now for the next 7 days. And that makes a change to give the chance for all the water to in the fields to evaporate. You've had that much rain down there, it's been unbelievable. Yeah, we'll cross over and have a little walk through the town. Oh, yeah, this is the windy corner. Definitely the windy corner, this one. Yeah, the wind catches you around here. This one. I'll walk down this way. Oh, so fucking up. Walk down here towards Finn's pub. And they've got a shop there you can buy all your books, save your rock from, or your rock.
He's just started.
I'm over towards the car parks on Commercial Road now. Anybody fancy canoeing? We've got a canoe shop down here. Small repairs and projects. Hire out for the summer. And we're walking back down towards the bus station. Yep, once you got that wind against you, it's absolutely freezing this morning. And yeah, hopefully Saturday we got a Corfe Castle video coming for you. Sorry to say that the train is not running at the moment until March. This is the Swanage train. So, but we got a video coming Corfe Castle on Saturday, and that should be available on Sunday for you to watch. Hope you can join me for that. Yeah, if you want a good Baltiers when you come down here, this one here, the Baltiers, the Shatims Baltiers, I think that's how you pronounce it, Indian restaurant. Excellent. You should try that if you ever come down here. Just look it up on the Google. I've ate there a few times, it's very good. And very, very clean inside as well. And nice people. Yep, down towards the bus station now. You can see one going in. Your local bus service in there. You get all your buses in the open toppers from.
Apparently it had to go.
Yeah, very quiet down here at the moment without the holiday makers and the tourists and just locals at the moment. But anyway, very cold. Anyway, I cut the video here, and if you like the video, please like, subscribe and support the channel if you can, and give us a thumbs up, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Have a great day. Bye for now.